In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to your Wix website. This is a handy skill to have when you want to integrate third-party tools, add custom elements, or insert specific HTML content directly into your site. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly embed HTML code within your Wix website and ensure it functions as intended. First things first, you'll need to access the Wix editor. Go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're inside, navigate to the editor for the particular website you wish to modify. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the different tools and options available here, as they'll be crucial for the steps we'll cover today. Now, onto adding the embed code element. Look towards the left-hand side of the editor. You should see an Add Elements button, often represented by a handy little plus sign icon. Click on it, and as the menu unfolds, scroll down until you find Embed Code. You can also use the search bar to pinpoint it quickly if that's easier. Then choose Embed HTML, which you'll typically find under sections like Popular Embeds or Custom Embeds. Once you've selected the Embed HTML option, a brand new HTML box will appear on your page. This is your canvas for the HTML code you want to embed. To enter your code, simply click on the Enter Code button within the HTML box that appeared on your screen. Ensure that code is toggled as the embed type, then go ahead and paste the HTML code you want to add into the provided field. Once you're satisfied, click either Update or Apply to save these changes, and voila, your HTML code is now part of your website. Next, you might need to adjust and customize the HTML box so that everything displays correctly. Feel free to resize and reposition this box on your page. Additionally, it's beneficial to add alternative text for accessibility purposes, which you can find in the designated field. There might also be additional settings or customization options for some embedded elements. Clicking the Settings button on the HTML box can uncover these features, so don't hesitate to explore them. Before finalizing your changes, always preview your site. With the Preview mode, you can see exactly how the embedded HTML code will appear on your live site. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Go ahead and click Publish to make those changes live. As a few important considerations, make sure that any third-party code you're embedding is the correct one provided by that external platform or service. And remember, if instructions specify placing code in the head or body sections for specific functionalities like tracking or verification, you'll want to use the Custom Code section in your site's dashboard settings. In the case of troubleshooting, if any technical issues arise from the third-party code, do reach out directly to the code provider for assistance, as Wix does not support technical issues stemming from third-party code. And there you have it. You've successfully added HTML code to your Wix website.